USW were integral to the success really of Screen Alliance Wales. The partnership has developed in a number of ways. We've got a Screen Academy based in here, Wolf Studios.
Thanks to the partnership, I was able to get 2 weeks work shadowing on the first series of his Dark Materials. Because of that, I made a lot of contacts within the industry, and it led to me getting a traineeship on the second series of his Dark Materials straight after my graduation.
I think the relationship we have is quite unique. I haven't heard of any other relationship quite as close as we have with USW. I don't think we could actually be as successful as we are without that relationship.
We met USW back in about 2008. We produce local energy in the form of electric and gas. USW have helped us in a number of different ways, different parts of our evolution through the design and the biological process we've made. We are generating a megawatt of electric. We're just about to start generating, hopefully converting 700 cube of biogas into biomethane. So we're here, we're operating, and USW have helped us to get there.
Urban Circle Newport is a youth arts charity supporting young people in Newport and the surrounding areas. USW, they've given us a home, they've given us a sanctuary, they've given us a place to be. They've given us a space to utilise, not only for us but for our young people. We're able to bring our young people here, and the young people that we work with get to be familiar with the university, and with that hopefully aspire to be in higher education and fulfil perhaps ambitions that they didn't have before.
The partnership that we've got with the University of South Wales, it's about the value that it brings to our staff in terms of professional development, access to research, and for our students it's about the student experience and being able to create spaces where our students can learn vocational, technical and academic in great settings, both here and at the university.
Going from college to university was quite a big jump, but it did give me the knowledge and the skills to take that step further. I hated school, I wasn't very good at it, and having the degree now has opened up so much more possibilities. Getting my degree and that certificate to say that I've completed my degree with USW was the best feeling in the world.
I've been working at the startup studio since 2019. I've had loads of support. It never stops in terms of branding, attend workshops, mentorship as well. Without the startup studio, I wouldn't have made any of this progress.
As Vice-Chancellor at the University of South Wales, I'm enormously proud of the impact that we make. The impact on our communities, on our people, on businesses, on our region and on our students, changing lives and our world for the better. In Wales, the word for pride is Balc, and I'm enormously proud that it's not just about us, it's about you.